बनेगा करोड़पति। क्या हम बन पाएंगे करोड़पति? चलो देखते हैं कैसे। चलो निकल पड़ते हैं इस सफ़र पे। वेलकम टू BVS प्रगति चैनल। In this session, let's understand how we can reach 1 crore, how much capital is required, and within what time we can reach target. Firstly, let's start with the letter C, capital. Is it that only Warren Buffett can make billions? Or our Indian Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, can make billions? Let's be a billionaire too. Let's start with a capital of 3 lakhs. Firstly, let's understand the number of trading days in a month. So there are 20 trading days. Let's say that with our perfect technical analysis, we have profitability for 85% of the days and loss for 15% of the days. That makes total profitable days as 70%. So in an average, the total trading days per year is 240. So total profitable days is 70% of 240, that is 168 days. And let's assume that the profit is 1%. Okay. Now, in the first year, we are starting with a capital of 3 lakhs. With 1% of profit for 168 days, the profit at the end of the year is 5 lakh 4,000. Now, end of the year, move your capital 3 lakhs to your account and also move 2 lakh 4,000 to your account. Now, the capital left for the second year is 3 lakhs. Now, let's calculate the profit at the end of the year with 1% of profit. So 1% of 3 lakhs into 168 days again will make it 5 lakh 4,000. So the total end of the year is 8 lakh 4,000. Now for the third year, we have capital of 8 lakh 4,000. Again, with perfect technical analysis, with our capital discipline and emotional control, with a profitable percentage of 168 days and assuming that the profit is 1%, so 1% of 8 lakh 4,000 into 168 makes it 13 lakhs 50,720. So the total at the end of the year, that is capital plus profit, is 21 lakhs 54,720. So the capital for this fourth year is 21 lakhs 54,720. Now profit end of the year is 1% of 21 lakhs 54,720 into 168, which is 36 lakhs 19,929. Now the end of the year, the capital plus profit is 57 lakhs 74,649. Move 7 lakhs 74,649 to your account. Now for the fifth year, you have a capital of 50 lakhs. Now let's say the profit is only 0.5%. So the profit at end of the year is 0.5% of 50 lakhs into 168, which is 42 lakhs. So total end of the year is 50 lakhs plus 42 lakhs, 92 lakhs. Lol, we are there. As we have moved profit of 2 lakh 4,000 to account in first year and 7 lakh 74,649 to account in fourth year. So totally almost close to 9 lakh 78,000 is moved to the account and total end of the year is 92 lakhs. So there it is 1 crore. तो हम बन गए करोड़पति. So what is needed? Capital. C for capital, A for analysis, D for discipline, E for emotional control, that is psychology. So let's understand more about this in the next session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And all the best.